Vertus's journal. Who am I kidding? Lost track long ago. So anyway, I don't get along with my new neighbors. But they don't get along amongst themselves either, which is a good thing. Or is it?
What is keeping her?
Her Majesty will be out when she is ready.
We must attack Chima now!
Beauty before battle.
Huh? Beauty? Ha! All we need is the might of my scorpions.
Oh, please. Your brutish ways are no match against the beauty of a delicately woven strategy.
Ha! Any scorpion can best any spider any day of the week.
We will just see about that.
This should be entertaining.
Ravishing. Ready to shine in battle.
Finally!
Beauty and force, we do complement each other well, you and I. Perhaps we should call it a draw.
Scorpions and spiders! Let us all squish Chima! Move out! I propose we attack Chima another day.
Agreed.
There goes the neighborhood.